amazina yanjye ni Enwani Damaki, kapiteni wa Bonikoasiro. Sofa empira naitwa Isebiri nibatsinda konka ninja nite it's our first time obunugwa mundu bitwa kwanza kusa East Africa zana empira yetu kandi ninja tuyoni tega experience na nabishe I've been experienced tsinda batenibisha konka bikunzi that next time we are going to do better.
Urugendo rwa FIASA ninga East African School Sports Competitions karutandika aside ya primary tukarutandika ibiro 8 yo kwa Mushanju turatebenkanisa timu za primary itwagizire competitions mu district ya Kayonga. Uganda aside ya primary twaselectinga amashomero 11 ongani fortunately rimwe kiri basize kwija mu competitions zezi kandi ikirenda kumanyisa moderator ninga kumanyisa abantu bona abakutureba no kumanya ngo umwako guwire ekikopo cha East Africa mu category zone ninga cyo mu different disciplines kimwe Uganda. Aya, jump. Yo!